So now let's see how we can work around with the Jaggy Despeckle effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and I'm going to go ahead onto import right here. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and bring in, let's say for example, an image that I want to go ahead and apply the effect to right here. So now in order to go ahead and apply the Jaggy Despeckle effect, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, and then you need to go around over here onto the blur section and then choose Jaggy Despeckle right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it simply blurs out right here, and you can change out the width and height right here. It's locked right now, but if I were to change around the height, you can see that this is how it actually looks. So as I were to zoom in, you can see that you get a bit of jagginess right here for this blur right here, as if you're looking through, let's say for example, an eye that is not that is low on power. So let's say for example, it can simulate nearsightedness right here, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and work around with the Jaggy Despeckle effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.